to talk about Meerschaums, and we're starting right now. What is Meerschaum? Meerschaum is septolite. It is formed from fossilized sea creatures from 50 some million years ago. It's found in Eskişehir, Turkey. It's also found in other areas on the planet, but the most purest Meerschaum comes from Turkey, and it's found in mines under the ground. It can go as far as 500 feet deep, these mines go, and they mine it by hand. It's blocks of white Meerschaum embedded in gravel, and they chip away at it, send them up, and they bring them over to the carvers. So Meerschaum first came into, first smoking pipes came into around 1723, and they didn't replace the clay pipe, but they kind of helped the clay pipe. It wasn't until the 1820s when Briar came along. So there's 7 types, different grades of Meerschaum when they separate it when it comes out of the mine over in Turkey. And Turkey has trade embargo, so to speak, so they kind of have everything there. They keep all the Meerschaum there. The carvers are there, and then the pipes get shipped out. So you can't call on the phone and say, I need a Meerschaum block. But yeah, there's some African Meerschaum out there. Not a whole lot. There's other sporadic places in the world that has Meerschaum, but Turkey is the most purest of Meerschaum out there because it's very porous. How a Meerschaum pipe is made. This is a finished pipe, brand new, very huge. How do we get to this point? So the carvers take these blocks. They may soak them in water, they may not. It's very porous. It needs to be, it's like a block of soap. It's hard, but it's soft at the same time. And they take special carving knives and they do the rough shape. So they're going to rough shape this out. They're going to rough it out. And then when that's done, they put them in a kiln. They kiln dry these things for 24, 36 hours. That gets the Meerschaum nice and hard. And then at that point, it will move on to a process where it all gets sanded down. The shank part will be sanded smooth. Fine detail works happen at that point. Once that's done, it's going to get corked off the top, the shank, and it's going to go into a bucket of beeswax, and that's what the coating is. So this is more of a real light coating beeswax. Claw holding the earth, and this is a darker, much darker wax put on these pipes. How a Meerschaum pipe works. The main function of the Meerschaum pipe is to draw heat, oils, tars away from the smoking chamber to produce a cooler smoke. Pulls out of the chamber, and thus you have coloring. Meerschaum pipes color. This is the tar, the oils from the tobacco coming out into the outer layer of the pipe. It produces a very cool smoke and a very dry and clean smoke. Therefore, you can taste the tobacco. Meerschaum pipes are very good for English blends. Very good for English blends. They're also excellent for aromatics. It lacks in the department of the vapors. Perique doesn't seem to go well with Meerschaum, but they go excellent with briar and cobs. Other than that, you can smoke almost anything out of here. And there's really no rest time at all. So, with that being said, you can go back to back as much as you want. A brand new pipe, you can smoke 4 or 5 times a day for a few weeks and get that color that come out. If you don't want to smoke it that fast, it's fine. I did not smoke this one that fast. Over time, they color. So, main purpose is the cool smoke. How to care for your Meerschaum pipe. Cleaning. When you're done smoking a pipe, put it down. Let it cool. Just let it cool down. It tends to be a little soft, not much, but you can ding it with the pipe cleaner. You can ding it with your check tool. Pipe cleaner, then this is nice and cool. Scoop out your ash just like any other pipe. Scoop it out. And what you want to do is you want to give it a little scrape. You don't want no cake, period, on Meerschaum pipes. None. The expansion rate is way off from cake to Meerschaum. Cake will give you tongue bite. It will make the pipe turn sour, and you're not going to want to smoke the Meerschaum no more. You can take the grippy ones every so often, the pointy, the brushy type. You can use them. This pipe doesn't need to go that far yet. I fold my pipe cleaner in half and I ream it with the pipe cleaner to get all that excess soot, dust, ash off of there. That's what I collected off the inside of that bowl. Give it a little puff, a little blow rather. It helps clean the chamber. You can also take these apart. These come apart fairly easy. It's a tendon. You can clean that off. Most of these are drilled and tapped. And you can go in there and you can take some of this grub out of here. Also, put it back together. Like so. And you're good to put it back in the case. Or you can put it on your pipe rack. Got it behind me. Every case is custom fitted for the pipe. These are wooden cases with vinyl on the outside. Nice. Velvet on the inside. You fit perfectly. And you shut it. Very good for traveling. You can actually load the pipe up, put it in here, and you'll be good. Where can you buy a Meerschaum pipe? The internet, eBay, Meerschaum Market, Royal Meerschaum, Pipe-Oogle. There's a lot of places to buy Meerschaum pipes. Pipe shows. That's a great place to buy Meerschaums. They bring a lot. The vendors bring a lot of Meerschaum pipes. You can see how big they are. You can hold them. You can see the artwork. Perfect place to buy a pipe. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you out. Take care. We'll see you next time.